in our Selenium code. Now run our code. Friends, this Selenium code was successfully worked. Then click up sign up page and import details, and this detail is already used, so this conditions was failed. Friends, show the output. Submit button clicked successfully. From submitted waiting for response. This failed message. Okay. Then now change email. Now run this code. This code runs successfully. And Maximus page, click sign up button, test username, email, password, confirm page word. Now registration successful message, non search. So output is sign up page, sign up button clicked successfully. From submitted waiting for response, sign up completely successfully, and navigate to the home page to results found for Anirudh. So we are completed our task today. This is a basic example for author-getting web interaction using Selenium. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Selenium tutorials. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Keep learning and keep testing. Thank you.